In today's video, I'm going to compare the Lenovo's Slim 5i versus the Lenovo's Legion 5i. These two laptops are very different in terms of the performance they offer, but there are many strong points of buying either of these. So let's just compare both of these and find out which one you should buy and you should spend your hard-earned money on. First of all, the variant I am reviewing this Legion 5i is the i5 10th gen, which costs 91,000 rupees in India. You can see the right picture. Now, let's talk about gaming performance. The Legion 5i comes with GTX 1650, which itself is one of the most powerful gaming, graphic cards. So if you want to play games only, then this laptop is no slouch. It is one of the best. It also has i5 10 gen. But don't get me wrong, this is the Slim 5i, and I'm playing currently NFS Heat in 1080p, and you can see the gameplay is very smooth. I faced no issues in the gameplay. It was very enjoyable also, and I really liked it. And as you all know, NFS Heat is a very new game. It is like a 2020 game, so it's not an old game. And I also have tried one more game in this laptop, which is the FIFA 19, and this game also ran amazingly. So now this Slim 5i has two graphic cards, which is MX450 and also the Iris, Intel Iris. But the thing is, the Legion 5i is a little better because it has GTX 1650. So if you are someone who wants to do live streams, who wants to play games live, then the Legion 5i makes better sense. But if you are not that kind of a person who wants to do live stream all the time, you want a good laptop for day-to-day use, and you just play games casually, like you just want to enjoy a game, you don't care about FPS, then the Slim 5i, the ideapad Slim 5i is the best option for you according to me. Now let's tell you one more thing, that is all the displays are 60Hz, so it doesn't matter even if you buy this one or the Legion 5i or the Slim 5i. But the display quality in the Legion 5i is, I think, a little better. That's what the people said, but according to me, I face no issues in the display of the Slim 5i. We also have USB Type-C port in the laptop, that is for data transferring. Lots of people had questions about it, how to transfer data. So I just thought of telling you that you can easily transfer data from your pen drive to your laptop, or from your phone to your laptop very easily using this port. As you guys can see, Windows easily recognizes this as a pen drive. Now, for a casual user, you should definitely buy the Lenovo Slim 5i. It is very powerful. It has i5 11 gen, and the two graphic card really helps a lot. But if you are someone who wants to do live streams, who want to play games live, and you just can't, you just don't want any compromise in your gaming performance, then the Legion 5i makes a lot more sense for you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Peace out.